Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to attach a lens to your Canon EOS R50 camera. So the first thing that we're going to do is make sure that the camera is turned off before taking off the lens cap. And now that we have made sure that it's turned off, we can just push on these two little latches and take off the cap. And now for our lens, we can screw off this little also protective cap and align the red dot on the bottom or on the top of the lens with the red bottom that is on our camera. So it should look something like this. And then we're going to twist the lens to the right like this until you hear a click. And now the lens is on the camera. We can check by turning on the camera, and as you can see, it's working. I can use the zoom and everything, and you can now take the pictures that you wanted to take. That's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.